Hello, my name is Satish Hegde. I am from Net Analytics Technologies, Bangalore. We are very happy to say that we have joined hands with LIS Academy. We are grateful to team of LIS Academy for giving us an opportunity to join hands with LIS Academy to support the community members of LIS Academy. We are very keen to join hands with LIS Academy and work towards the prosperity of the library science students as well as library science professionals. So I would like to start with a story. Yes, I would like to start with a story today. See, I completed my graduation in the year 1999. So very recently, all of my classmates, we gathered together. It's been almost 20 years, right? So my classmates are almost, the total number is 100. Okay, we gathered with all our families, and I was very, very keen to really understand how and what our rank holders or my classmates who used to excel in marks, you are getting my point, the high CGPA candidates, what they are doing now. So that was my, I was very curious about to understand. So after, meeting with my classmates, after meeting the first rank holders, the high CGPA people, I realized that only marks doesn't give the success. Then what else? What else really gives you the success? So in my opinion, the success is a good health, good family, of course, a good job, good salary. With this context, when I really checked with my classmates, what I found was that only marks doesn't matter. Then what else matter? What I observed was, out of my 100 classmates, couple of students, my classmates, who were very good in other skills like social skills, communication skills, team building skills, they really excelled in their life. So with this context, I'm not saying that marks are not important. That is definitely important. However, with your marks, you have to build your other skills. They are social skills, communication skills. With this background, today I would like to talk about Sententia. I have already mentioned that we have joined hands with LIS Academy, and I'm very happy to say that all the LIS Academy members can access Sententia platform. Then the question is, what is Sententia? Let us have a detailed walkthrough of the platform today. Let me explain, what is Sententia? Sententia is an AI-based English grammar, text and style analysis tool. Not only that, Sententia is also an online language lab. The question is not how we can use. Let us really understand why we have built this. Why we have built this Sententia. See, I was from a remote rural area of North Canara district. So I worked in the industry, especially in the IT industry, in various capacities. And when I had completed my graduation, I really struggled hard. I really struggled hard in the corporate sector. Why? Because in the corporate sector, as an employee, you have to communicate in English, and that was lacking in me. I really struggled hard. I really tried to understand and to improve myself. So with that background, after 20 years, what we thought is, I along with other founders of the company, what we thought is, why should not we help our students or professionals, okay, with a technology tool, with a platform which can help them then and there, okay, where they write. You are getting my point. I write something, might be on LinkedIn, might be on, I'm writing a paper, I'm writing an essay, I'm writing something, I'm writing my assignment, and I make mistakes. And can we come up with a technology solution which can identify the grammar mistakes which I am doing, the text mistakes which I am doing, and the style mistakes which I am doing? Not only that, if I am making the mistakes, then can I understand my mistakes in Kannada? Can I really understand my mistakes in my native language? Might be Tamil, might be Telugu, might be Hindi. So with this context, we thought of building Sententia. This is why we built Sententia. Why we built Sententia? We built Sententia to help the students, to help the professionals to build a better English proficiency. So it is really exciting, is it not? So the beauty of Sententia is that it is online language lab. Okay, the common misconception, very common misconception among all of us is that, when we say communication, it is only speaking. No. When I had completed my, post graduation in the year 2000, okay, even I had the same misconception. When you talk about communication, it is about speaking. No, there are 4 different skills which are involved in a perfect communication or in a good communication. Okay, do you know what those 4 different very important skills to improve? LSWR skills. L for, can anybody mention? L for, yes, listening. S for speaking. Okay, S for speaking. W for writing, and R for reading. So these are the 4 very important skills which are required for all of us. For all of us, you might be a student or you may be a professional, okay, to excel in your career, to excel in your employment, to excel in the life, these 4 skills are very much needed. So with this background, we built Sententia to help you to improve these LSWR skills. Yes, the beauty is that, depending on your time, okay, with your own pace, whenever you get time, with the help of a laptop or with the help of a tablet or with the help of a mobile phone, you can practice LSWR skills. Yes, not only that, Sententia platform also has an adaptive content. Now let us understand what is this adaptive content. I think, everybody is hooked on YouTube. I'm sure, I'm damn sure that, you watch, might be Hindi movies, or you may, watch, might be news channels on your YouTube channel, on YouTube, is it not? The beauty is that, the YouTube really understands, okay, Satish is watching Hindi movie. Satish is interested in Amir Khan, is it not? So it understands, the machine understands and starts throwing the content. What it does is it starts throwing the same similar content to me. That is exactly we have done. In the sense, when you practice on our platform, the platform understands, okay, Satish is not that great in this particular skill, and it prompts me, it really prompts me to understand or to study that particular skill. Okay, that is called adaptive learning. Is the technology is really changing nowadays, and being the library professionals, being the library students, you are going to lead this change. Yes, because being a library professional, you basically hold the key to knowledge, because the library is where the knowledge is basically stored, right? Is it not? You go to any university, you go to any college, the key to success, the key to knowledge is the library. Is it not? You are like a Krishna, is it not? The Krishna who really, he ensured the winning strategy of Arjuna. Is it not? In the same way, being a library professional, you are so important that you have to guide all the students, and you have to guide all the, even not only the students, even the teachers, to improve themselves. Is it not? Because I am here standing in front of you representing a technology company mainly because of the people like you. Is it not? Because I always thankful to my librarian, and I always grateful to my college librarians and even the school librarians, because they had ensured me, they guided me to read the relevant and contextual knowledge. So now, why I am mentioning this is because the digital technology is really changing. So what I request is, today let me share whatever I know about the Sententia tool, and you have, being a Elias Academy members, you have the access to the platform, and you can access it free of cost, and you can really explore and utilize, not only utilize the platform for yourself, we also request you to spread this knowledge. Today let us have a detailed look, or let us have a detailed walkthrough of the platform and really understand how Sententia can be very much useful for the students, library science students, as well as library science professionals. Now let us directly jump into my laptop screen. Yes, ready? Yes. So with the help of login ID and password, I am logging into Sententia platform now. So what you have to do is, you have to type www.sententia.online. You may wonder, what is it Sententia? Because Sententia is related to sentences. Whenever you write, wherever you write, Sententia is there to help you, to support you to write better. It is a personal assistant basically. It is a personal assistant which will help you to write better. Okay, so with this background, I am directly jumping into my, now you can see this is the landing page. This is the landing page of Sententia platform. On the left side, you can see My Language Lab. Okay. What is My Language Lab? My Language Lab is an online language lab where you can practice LSWR skills. I had mentioned about this. Okay, so let us really understand how you can practice listening. Okay, see, coming from a semi-rural area or rural area, it is always, it is difficult to understand the pronunciation. Is it not? So now you can see here on the platform. So you have an audio topic here, and what you have to do is simply you have to click on the audio topic and you will listen various audio topics. What you have to do is, you have a defined time. It will give only 3 minutes time. You have to listen, understand, comprehend, and then you have to answer the questions. Okay, you have to answer the questions. Let me do it for you and I can show it to you. Okay, what I am doing is, I am choosing the answers randomly. Okay, and I am clicking here. So now you can see that it is also giving a percentage. In the sense, my capability It is basically measuring my capability to listen. So what I have to do is I have to practice. So being students, what you can do is by using this particular platform, you can listen to various audio topics. Okay, and I'm sure that you will really enjoy this particular feature. Now let us go to speaking. Yes, so this is the beauty of this particular platform. How this platform can help you to improve? I'll tell you how. You need not to practice speaking in front of everybody, because you will be very conscious that people will criticize you. Is it not? So what you can do is, yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity. What you can do is, you can sit at your home, okay, even you can close the doors, open your laptop, and you can practice. I'll show you how you can do. Now can you see the screen? Here is a script. What you can do is, you can just click start recording. Let me show it for you. Now I'm starting recording. Hello and thank you for calling Sententia. My name is Anish. At this time, I would like to let you know that this call may be recorded for quality assurance. Okay, this is one of the script. Okay, now I stop recording. Yeah, you can see now what the platform has done is it has given me that, hey Satish, your pronunciation is not that great. Only 57%. It has given me only 57%. Then what I have to do? I have to practice. I have to ensure that my pronunciation is good. It has to be understood by the machine. So coming back, my percentage is only 57%. And what I have to do? I have to practice. I have to try again. I have to try another script so that I can become perfect. Is it not? So I'm sure that you are going to use this platform. So let us go to next feature. This is about reading. This is it's very simple. You will be given with a passage, and you will be given with a basically defined time and a test. What you have to do is you have to read the passage, understand, and then you have to answer these questions. How you are measured? Your understanding will be measured by the right answers. Now let us go to very interesting feature, which is writing. Where if you click on writing, okay, it will take you a editor. So here is an editor where you can write and practice. Do you remember in your school days you used to write and your teacher used to correct the grammar? Now your teacher or your guru is Sententia. Yes. So Sententia will be there at your home helping you to write better. So this is one of the very interesting technology tool which can help you to write better. Being a student, you might be writing lot of essays, might be project reports, dissertation reports. Yes. In writing your written document, whatever you write, Sententia can help you to improve your grammar, text and style. Yes, let us go and upload an essay and let us see the magic. Now you can see that I am uploading an essay which is written by me. When I have uploaded this particular written document, you can see on the right hand side the document quality. Okay, what it is telling? What it is telling me is that, hey Satish, your document quality is 40%. That means, what it means? That means you have made lot of mistakes in your written document, in your essay or in your dissertation. Let us have a look at what I have done. I have made 22 grammar mistakes, 4 vocabulary mistakes, and if you click on summary matrix, you can see that with respect to major categories and with respect to subcategories of English, I have done 22 grammar mistakes and 4 vocabulary mistakes, and I have not done any style mistakes. Okay, the beauty is that this particular platform can cover the subcategories as well. It might be articles, nouns and pronouns, or probably sentence beginning and ending. It covers everything. Let us click on document metrics now. This is very interesting. Being a library professionals, I'm sure that you present many papers in national and international conferences. Let us assume that a topic which you want to present in the international conference, and the topic is basically audiobooks, the changing scenario of reading and listening, because that is the phenomena which is happening. People are reading less and listening lot. Okay, let us assume that it's a hypothetical example, and you have written a paper and you are going to present it in a international seminar, and the same paper you would like to present in a college, okay, probably in a workshop, and your target audience in the college is basically first year library science students, and in the international conference all the library science faculty are there. You can see the difference, right? You can see the difference. The audience in the international conference is different, and the audience in the college scenario is different. Now let me come back here. I'm clicking here on the document metrics. You can see readability grade level and readability score. Okay, now you have written a paper and you want to present it in an international seminar, in an international conference, and your essay or your written document or your paper which you are going to present has to be up to the mark, or as per the knowledge level of target audience. That is called the readability index and readability score. It's called readability grade level and readability score. What do you mean by that? So let us assume that you are in that particular conference and you are presenting your paper. So the readability grade level has to be high. Is it not? Because your target audience is basically the professionals. It cannot be dry, is it not? Your written document, your paper cannot be dry. I mean, it has to be good with the relevant contextual matter. The same paper, if at all you want to present it in the college, then if it is so complex, if you want to present the same paper, same written document in the college, the students, the first year library science students cannot digest that. Is it not? So your readability grade level has to be reduced and the readability score has to increase. Now let us see how this particular platform can help you to improve the readability score, okay, and how improve the readability grade level. Now if you really see my document, what it is telling is that Satish has written some essay, and any student who has studied up to 9th standard can understand this. Yes, now the same document, if at all I have to submit it to a scientist, then I have to make the changes, is it not? Now the question is how this readability score and readability grade level basically decided by the platform. I think you have already guessed it. Yes, you are right. It is basically based on the comprehensibility with respect to words and the comprehensibility with respect to sentence lengths. So what you have to do is you have to revisit your document, written document, and you have to take cues, you have to take the suggestions from the platform, and you have to improve that. Yes, so let us come back to the platform now, and let me, you can see the various sentences and various words which are colored in red color and even blue color. Let me click on a word which is basically marked as red. Okay, yeah, so this is disaster. Okay, the word is disaster. Oh, let me click and showcase it to you. It is basically a grammar mistake. You can see that the platform understood the mistakes I have done, and it is telling me that it is a grammar mistake. And the major category is the grammar, and the subcategory is nouns and pronouns. What you can do is you can go here and click here. What it is telling me, let us understand. What we can do is, we can really understand the correct and incorrect examples as well. And the platform allows you to auto correct the mistakes. Let us assume a scenario that you are a librarian and you are heading a educational institutes, and 2000 students, they write their dissertation topics, and it is very difficult for any English HOD or any English teacher to correct those written documents and to guide the students. So in that particular situation, this tool can really help a lot. Is it not? What you can do is, the students themselves can, make the corrections, or being a librarian, chief librarian, what you can do is you can upload all the documents at once and download the mistakes. So one more thing is that this particular tool also has the native language support. So I was mentioning about the Kannada support or Telugu support or Tamil support. Do you remember that? Yes, let us really look at how that particular feature can help you. Okay, what I have done is, here I have clicked on the children's. Children's is not a proper word, is it not? The word children's is not in use. Consider changing the word to children. That is what it is suggesting me. This is a vocabulary mistake. Now what I am doing is I am switching on to Kannada. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದವು ಬಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪದವನ್ನು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎಂದು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವುದು ಸೂಕ್ತ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ whatever the suggestion is there in English, it is translating it and telling me in Kannada or in my native. Might be Hindi, might be Tamil, might be Bangla. Okay, so by understanding the suggestions made by the platform, I can make the corrections and I can download. Let us go and see how I can download this particular corrected document. Okay, I have uploaded now, I have made the corrections, and now I am downloading. Here you can see, now you can download the corrected document. Apart from that, you can also download a detailed report, a page-wise error report you can download. Now let us go back to the platform and let us understand. Now let us look at another feature of the platform, My Progress. Okay, the whole idea is that being a student, okay, what I do is I write on the platform, I practice LSWR skills, and I really want to understand whether I am learning or not. Or being a chief librarian or being a HOD, you really want to understand whether your students are learning or not. So that is why here you can see that this is a learning curve. Kindly don't look at my learning curve, because day in and day out I give presentations to so many educational institutes. So that is why this is a bit haphazard. But in your case, or in the ideal case scenario, okay, this particular learning curve will be in the upward trend. The idea is you write, you practice LSWR skills, and you learn from the suggestions and you do not make the same mistakes. Is it not? It is basically a habit. Is it not? Yeah. So this is the learning curve, and in the same feature you can also understand, you can see how many assessments you have taken and what is your score as well. Okay, let us go to next feature. Okay, let us go to next feature. So I was mentioning about Sententia library, is it not? So here you can see the Learning Academy. Okay, the Learning Academy you can see. So this is adaptive in nature. I was giving an example of a YouTube, is it not? Now the machine can really understand the mistakes you are making, and it can understand, Satish is not that great in punctuation, or might be he doesn't really understand how to use the tenses. So what it is telling me is that, hey Satish, why don't you start with punctuation and then nouns and pronouns? Don't you think it is smart? Yes. So let us assume that there are 400,000 students on our platform. Actually, yes, they are there. Okay. So for everyone the suggested content will be different. Okay. So you also try, and what you can see here on my laptop is that this is a Learning Academy where you can see various English grammar topics, foundation, intermediate as well as advanced. So when you complete foundation, when you complete intermediate, automatically the advanced topics will appear to you. I mean, otherwise we will not show it to you. You have to start with foundation, you have to complete intermediate, and then you have to go for advanced. Got it? Now let us really understand what are these foundation, intermediate and advanced. See, in Sententia what we have done is we have built the content as per CEFR standards. Okay, so as per CEFR standards, the foundation you have more than 50 different modules. Let us go and click on parts of speech. You can see the detailed content of parts of speech, and you can listen to the topic, and if you click on take assessments, it will take you to a assessment on parts of speech. You're getting my point? So what you can do is you can really read, you can really listen, and then you can practice. The whole idea is to help you to improve your English. Okay, now let us assume that since you have access, what you have done is you have practiced LSWR skills, you have really started reading the content, you have started taking assessments, you have started listening to audio topics. Now next what? Certification. Yes, there is a certification which you can avail on this particular platform. So we have joined hands with LIS Academy, and with the logo of LIS Academy we are giving you a certificate. Since you have the access, what you can do is you can avail the certificate. Now I will show you where you have to go and you have to avail your certificate. Here on the right side corner you can see get certified. You have to click on get certified, and it will take you to an exam. Yes, there will be an exam. Unless you prepare well, kindly do not attempt. There are 7 levels of certifications. I am clicking on get certified and I am starting a test. If I can score 80%, you can see my certificate here. You can download the certificate with the logo of LIS Academy and with the logo of Sententia, and you can add it on your CV or on your social profiles, especially professional profiles like LinkedIn. With the help of Sententia platform, what you can do is you can even conduct multiple choice test or writing test. I am repeating, with the help of Sententia platform, what you can do is you can also conduct online multiple choice test or even writing test. Now let us see how we can do that. Yes, I'm clicking here on my assignments. Okay, if at all you want to conduct an exam, what will you do? First of all, we have to define a topic. Now you define the topic, might be sociology, the machine learning or artificial intelligence. So you can define your own topic in which you want to conduct the exam. Now you have done that. Step number 1 completed. Let us come to step number 2. What is step number 2? For any exam, what do you want? You need questions and answers, is it not? Now what I am going to do is I am going to click on create questions. What we have done is, in the first step, we have created the topic. We have already defined the topic. The library science topic already been created. I am going to conduct the exam on library science topic for my students, my library science students. Now what I am doing is I am managing the questions. Now you can see the two options, single questions and bulk upload. Now I want to conduct a examination comprising of only 25 questions or 20 questions or 15 questions. I am planning to conduct a 15 marks questions to my students, to my library science students. So I am going to click on single question, and I am selecting my library science topic, and then I'm selecting the question types. So there are 4 different question types. So one is fill in the blanks, true or false, yes or no, and 4 options and 5 options. In fact, there are 5 options for you, not 4. Okay, now let me select the 4 options. Okay, now you can see that you have to type the questions because you have to prepare the questions, right? Now what I have done is I have selected the topic, I have selected the question type as 4 options, and I have to type the question and I have to give 4 different options. Honestly, I don't know much about library science, and my whatever the question I type here may not be wrong, may not be right. Okay, so I'm just assuming that my question would be, I'm typing here, my question would be, who is the father of library science? Okay, now you have 4 different options. Option number 1 is Dr. Subramaniam. The option number 2 would be X, somebody else, I don't know. So option number 3 would be Y, and option number 4 would be Z. So out of these 4 options, you have to select the right answer and you have to submit it. Now your question is created. So if at all you want to create a question bank of 15 questions, then what you can do is you can have the permutation and combination of various types. You are getting my point. You can add 2 fill in the blanks, you can add 4 options questions, okay, or you can add true or false, or you can add even 5 option questions as well. Now you have created the question bank. Now you don't want to do that, or you want to conduct the final exam, or you want to conduct an exam of 75 questions. Now here you have the options of bulk upload. Click on the bulk upload, you can see a template. It's an Excel sheet. What you have to do is you have to download that Excel sheet and you have to write all your questions in that particular Excel sheet, and then you upload it. Now your question bank is ready. Okay, there are 3 steps. Step number 1, you have already done that. You have defined your topic. Step number 2, you have already created your question bank. The step number 3 is basically conducting or starting your test or planning your test. Let us go to create assignment. So assignment is nothing but it's a multiple choice test or writing test. Let me come back to writing test afterwards. Let us go to multiple choice test. You can see that the test name is test number 4 or 5, whatever. I mean, it depends on you. And now I am selecting the topic. Library science is my topic. And then what I am doing is, I am planning the date of test. Now, to whom I have to give the examination? Okay, probably for the first year students, probably for the second year students, third year students, or for 8th semester student. I don't know. I mean, that you have to define. Now, I am going to define the number of questions. Let me assume that 75 questions I would like to take, and I want to give it to only 4th semester students. Okay, I am selecting 4th semester and I am submitting it. Done. Now the students can access the test on Monday between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and they can answer all the questions, and you can see the results here on view assignments. I think you are seeing the view assignments, and here you can see the student wise results. So this is one of the fantastic feature of Sententia platform. Now, being a HOD or being a chief librarian, okay, you want to really understand how your students are using this Sententia platform. I mean, I am assuming that your university or your college is using Sententia platform. Okay, now you are very curious because Sententia has so many features. You want to really check the student engagement. You really want to understand whether my students are really using it. How many of them have registered? How many of them are really using all the features? You want to see as an admin. Okay, being an admin, being a chief librarian or being a HOD, what you can do is you can go to reports. You can see the active users, inactive users, how many assessments taken, what is the average quality of your document, okay, or self-paced learning completed, or even how many of the first year students are using, how many second year students are using, everything, all the data you can really have a look into. Okay, so this is one of the very important feature of Sententia platform. Now, you are a librarian, chief librarian, and as I had mentioned, you have 2000 students and everyone is busy in submitting their dissertation and project reports, and the huge pile of 3000 dissertation reports are there and the project reports are there. You don't know what you do. Now what you can do is you go here on the left hand side of Sententia platform and you can see upload multiple files. What you can do is you can upload all the files on this particular platform and you can download the errors or mistakes done by the students. What you can do is you can give it to the student, the detailed reports you can give it to the students, and students can make the corrections. Okay, so with this particular features, with these various features, Sententia can help you to improve your English proficiency. If you are a student, definitely you can practice LSWR skills, and if you are a professional, what you can do is you can practice on the platform. You might be sending an email, you might be writing an article. So Sententia is going to be helpful for you to write better, because whatever you write, that shows your personality, is it not? If I make lot of mistakes or if I speak with lot of errors, that gives you a bad impression, is it not? So to have a great career, to have a best personal brand, you have to write better, you have to speak better, and your English proficiency has to be really, really great. So we Sententia have joined hands with LIS Academy, and we are giving you the access to the platform so that for all the library science community, this Sententia platform is going to be very much helpful. If at all you want any support from my side, I'm there 24/7. You can call me anytime and I can give you a detailed walkthrough of the platform. And on the YouTube, you can get answers for all your questions. The detailed walkthrough of the platform is available. So with this great features, I request everyone kindly explore the platform in detail and ask your students to explore the platform in detail and utilize various features to improve yourself, to improve your English proficiency and build a better career. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and thank you, LIS Academy.